İğrek Makina's new chapter in innovation and scale. Located in Bursa, Mustafakemalpaşa, Organized Industrial Zone, Turkey. Over 150,000 square meters, one of Europe's largest integrated foundry. Induction melting furnaces, ABP 27 tons dual 7,900 kilowatts, BBC 30 tons dual 3,300 kilowatts, BBC 70 tons dual 3,300 kilowatts. Sand mixers, were 80 tons per hour, were 50 tons per hour, GFA 30 tons per hour, GFA 40 tons per hour, FAT sand regeneration equipment, 40 tons per hour, over 2,000 tons of sand in cycle. To minimize our carbon footprint and support the green transition, a 5 megawatt solar power plant has already been commissioned for the facility. An additional 2 megawatt rooftop solar installation is also planned.